One of the top challenges operations manager administrators are faced with is the ability to document management packs and their configuration. This is made easy in MP Studio. For example, I can select an individual element for a management pack and simply right-click and choose to copy that row. Or I can select multiple rows and choose to export those to Excel. If I wish to document the entire element, I can select the element, such as referencing overrides, and then simply use the Export to Excel toolbar button to document all the overrides that I've customized. Now I can share this spreadsheet with all the stakeholders. Now if I want to document the entire management pack and not just a single element, right-click on the management pack and you can create an Excel workbook or an HTML document. Naturally, the header and footer can be customized, but you can also add and remove various columns from this report. Let's take a look at the Excel version of this report. The Excel workbook contains a separate sheet for each element in the management pack. Here's the summary showing the references. If I scroll to the right, we can see, for example, the 31 monitors. New in version 6 is the ability to display the monitor's overrides directly below each monitor. So these referencing overrides have been created and configured as displayed in the spreadsheet. Similarly for rules, you can see each rule in white, and directly below it, if an override has been created, it will be shown there as well. So that's a very useful report you can share with other stakeholders. Let's take a look at some of the other reports available in MP Studio. Here we've got in the store database the override management pack I've been working on. We can schedule the audit history report. Let's take a look at that. Multiple administrators could be working on this report, and you may wish to share this audit history with change management committees. Here we can see the previous value and new value for the overrides that we've modified. Click on the Export to Excel toolbar button, and we'll have a nice, neat, tidy spreadsheet that you can share with change management committees or your manager. Another report we often get asked for is the ability to document what's been running on a given agent. Here we can see on Silman.com, I've got 17 different management packs with at least one monitor running on that server. Here we can see one of these monitors has 3 overrides that exist. If I want to document that, just simply hit that Export to Excel toolbar button, and we'll have a spreadsheet, again, group by element, subgroup by management pack name, and then you can see individual rules, monitors, and any associated overrides that have been created. Next, let's take a look at the group comparison report. The group comparison report shows each management pack in the store database compared to the same management pack if it exists in each of my management groups. So I've got 2 management groups here, and then I've got the store version. You can deploy from here, but you can also generate that spreadsheet. This can be used for planning purposes, deploying management packs, etc. But the documentation is clear and concise. Let's take a look at one more report you may wish to document. Here I'm comparing 2 different versions of a SQL management pack. You can see that across the top. If I group by reason and name, we can very quickly identify some of the changes in here, such as alert severity between the 2 versions of the SQL management pack. This would be another useful report you may wish to document in Excel. As you can see, documentation in MP Studio is rich and powerful.